Alright class, sorry it's windy, hopefully you can hear me. We talked about electricity. That's the power pole they just installed in December. You can see on the right side of there's a little, there's a little box right there, conduits coming down. That's a transformer, follows that conduit in the ground, and then they dug a trench all the way over to here with conduit. You can see that plastic conduit at the bottom. This is what they call a temporary meter base. You can see all our outlets that I had to put together down there so that we could draw power to start building the house. But all you can see is there's a meter, several breakers, things that we're able to be plugged in. So we're gonna run, once this house is finished, we're gonna put that meter base right here on the back of the house. So we're here by this window, drill a hole through it, and then on the other side I'll show you what we did just yesterday. We put this breaker panel in here. So you just screw it in real easy. It goes between the studs here, 16 inches on center. And you can see that there is no breakers in this box right now. So we'll drill a hole. We'll come in from the back, tie into these lugs with the main power, which will energize all of these. And so it's real easy. Let me grab a breaker over here. We have a 20 amp breakers. You can see it says 20. You have little clips here on the back. Those, with those little clips, fit right into there. And you just snap them in, and that's all it takes. And there it is. So on the back here, it's hooked into these metal bars. That's where the power comes out, your hot wire. So your hot wire, we're gonna put, well, you can see it, there's a screw in there. You gotta hook it into that. White wire or ground wire goes on this side. As long as you keep all your ground wires on this side and all your whites on this side, your common wires, you'll be okay. So that's all you do. You unloose this screw, put your bare copper wire into there, your ground wire, screw it back in. Same over here. You strip part of this conductor, wherever it is, in there. That white wire, you take the end off, shove it into here. Once you cut the insulation all the way up to this blue tag, white will go over here, copper over here, and then the black wire will hook into the back of this, and that will create your circuit. We talked about circuits. You can see all these lines coming in. Yesterday I ran this one, all these. So let's say this one I wrote laundry on it. So we're in the laundry room right now. So this one wire comes out at the top. All you do is drill a hole through the top plate, 2 plates there, and then run it. And you can see I have it going over here to that outlet down there. That's one of them. That's actually for the washing machine. I put it on a separate circuit because it pulls a lot of amps. And you can see I have them coming down. Tied it into that outlet. This is called a rough-in. We don't put outlets in yet until after they come in sheetrock, but you gotta run all your wires first. Over to that outlet, which came up and around, zipped down here. You can see I stapled it down to this light switch. So we're gonna put a light switch in here, which is gonna break the current and then send it down. Actually, it went down to that outlet and then it came up to this light switch, and then it goes up. Sorry, we're gonna have a light right. You can see I wrapped it around right there, a light right there. So you have power all the way up to here. Then when you flip a switch, it allows power to travel up this wire. When you flip the switch down, it shuts it off. So that's how you turn your lights on and off. So as you can see, we're starting to wire today. We'll we'll talk about planning out. Remember, we got to have, since that's a 20 amp breaker, most all mine are going to be 15 amps, but this is a 20 amp. Everything has to equal up to 15 amps or 20 amps. So each outlet's 2 amps, so you times them 1, 2, then I have a light up here, 3, so that'll be 6 amps. Another one here, so that's 8 amps. And it just doesn't make any sense to run another wire over into that wall or into the half bathroom, so we're just going to keep it at 8 amps. We'll be able to draw a lot out of here. Okay, so that's what we do. Try to put however many outlet boxes, so each outlet box is 2 amps, so you can put up to 7 outlet boxes onto one circuit, which is the breaker, 15, going to your 7 outlets, and then that'll run your circuit. So hopefully you learned that.